Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about mandala art. A mandala art, which is a Sanskrit word for circle, is a geometric design that holds a great deal for symbolism in Hindu and Buddhist cultures. Mandalas are believed to represent different aspects of the universe and are used as instruments of meditation and symbols of prayers, most notably in India, Japan and Tibet. In their most basic form, mandalas are circles contained within a square. They are produced on paper or cloth, drawn on surface with threads, or built on stone and bronze. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the belief is that by entering the mandala and proceed towards the center, you are guided through the cosmic process of transforming the universe from one of suffering into one of joy and happiness. Types of mandalas. Number 1. Teaching mandala. Number 2. Healing mandala. Number 3. Sand mandala. Let's start.